In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export subscribers from Mailerlite. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to download your list as a CSV file so you can back it up, move it to another platform, or share it with your team. First, go ahead and log in to your Mailerlite account. Use your usual login details and wait for the main dashboard to load. It's a good idea to make sure you're on a stable internet connection here because we'll be downloading a file in just a moment. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the area labeled Lists and Subscribers. This is where Mailerlite stores all of your subscriber information, organized into different lists or groups. Click on that section to open it. If you manage multiple audiences, you might see several lists here, so take a second to confirm which one you actually want to export. Next, click on the specific list you wish to export from. This will open that list's detail page and show you all the subscribers associated with it. You might see names, email addresses, and any custom fields you've set up, like tags or segments. Remember, whatever is in this list is what will end up in your exported file, so double-check that you're in the right place before moving on. Now on the list's detail page, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see a small icon with 3 dots, sometimes called the Overflow menu or More Options menu. This is where Mailerlite hides additional actions related to the list. Click on that 3-dot menu, and from the drop-down options that appear, select Export List. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on updates to the platform, but you're looking for the option that clearly mentions exporting. Once you click it, Mailerlite will start preparing a CSV file of your subscribers. After a brief moment, your CSV file will be generated and downloaded to your computer, usually into your default Downloads folder. A CSV file is a simple spreadsheet format that you can open with tools like Excel, Google Sheets, or import into another email service provider. Once the download finishes, open the file to quickly scan that everything looks correct and that the data you need is there. And that's all you need to do to export your subscribers from Mailerlite.